Hello, networking enthusiast. Welcome to the channel God of Networking. Today, I will show you how to configure VRF in SONiC. As we know, by default, all the ports of SONiC are in layer 3 and all ports have been assigned default IP addresses. So, before starting of the video, I have removed all the default IP addresses. Now, I will go into the router and create VRF. As we can see here, Ethernet 0 and 4 are not listed in the table because I have removed default IP addresses from them. Now I will create VRF Red by using command sudo config VRF add VRF Red. Now I will check the status of VRF by using command show VRF. As we can see here, VRF Red has been created. Now I will bind Ethernet 0 and 4 with VRF Red by using command sudo config VRF bind Ethernet 0 VRF Red. Sudo config interface. Now I will repeat the same command for Ethernet 4. Now I will check the status by using command show VRF. As we can see here, Ethernet 0 and 4 both ports have been bind to VRF Red. Now I will assign IP to these ports by using command sudo config interface IP add Ethernet 0 192.168.10.1/24. Now again I will use the same command for Ethernet 4 and 11.1. Now I will check the status of IP interfaces by using command show IP interfaces. Show IP interfaces. As we can see here in the table, Ethernet 0 and 4 have been bind to VRF Red and IP addresses have been assigned to both ports. Now I will go into the PCs and assign IP addresses to these ports by using command 192 IP 192.168.10.2/24 192.168.10.1. So it must be 11.2. Yes. Now IP 192.168.11.2/24 and 192.168.11.1 gateway. Now I will generate a ping request from PC1 to PC2. Ping 192.168.11.2. As we can see here, PC1 is receiving packets from PC2, and main interesting thing is that TTL has been decremented by 1 because there is a router and it is acting as a hop. That's why TTL is decremented by 1. Now I will show you one more thing. What if Ethernet 4 is bind to different VRF, like Ethernet 0 is bind to VRF Red and Ethernet 4 is bind to VRF Blue? Now I will go into the router, use command sudo. First of all, I will remove IP address from Ethernet 4. Now I will unbind VRF Red from Ethernet 4 by using command sudo config interface VRF unbind Ethernet 4. Now I will check the VRF table by using command show VRF. As we can see, Ethernet 4 is no longer binded to VRF Red. Now I will create VRF blue by using command sudo config VRF blue. Sudo config VRF add. Now again I will check the status of VRF. So VRF blue has been created. Now I will bind Ethernet 4 to this VRF by using command sudo config interface VRF bind Ethernet 4 VRF blue. Now again I will check the status of VRF table. So everything is fine now. Now I will assign IP address to Ethernet 4. Now I will check the status of IP interfaces by using command show IP interfaces. Oops, I think I haven't signed IP. Oh, add. Now again I will check the status of IP interfaces. So we can see here Ethernet 4 has been binded to VRF blue. Now I will generate a ping request from PC1 to PC2. PC1. As we can see here, PC1 is not getting reply from PC2. What does it mean? For seamless and smooth communication without any loss of packets, all the ports must be same VRF. So as we have seen, PC1 is not getting reply from PC2 because they both are in different VRF. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you want more videos like this, kindly subscribe my channel.